Hi, we have Skoda Fabia with a 1.6 TDI engine. As you can see, this is the coolant pump B, or electrical coolant pump on this engine. Now, first I have made a video, but the video quality was bad, so now I'm remaking the video, some part of the video. As you can see, I have removed the plastic cover. This pump has been repaired 2 times before. First time the center pin, it was damaged here on the connector. So then I have used an angle grinder and I have grinded the plastic, and I have connected the wires like this. After that, also the second pin again is been damaged from the corrosion, because it's on the lower side of the engine, and when the winter comes, it's creating a lot of condensation inside, and it's damaging the pins. So now you can see I have put new wires into the holes. I have soldered them, and now I'm going to make a hole here into the plastic, so I can move the wires through here, and I'm going to return the plastic cover, use some silicone here and also some duct tape, and I'm going to connect the wires corresponding to the pins here. I have soldered the wires corresponding to the positive terminal, negative terminal, and also the sensor wire. Also, I have put some silicone here and some duct tape. I have put some silicone here at the hole of the wires. So now I can mount it on the bracket. I'm gonna have to twist the wires like this and put some duct tape to hold them like this, and I'm going to install on the metal bracket, and after that I can start the engine and connect with the diagnostic tester. I have lowered the vehicle, turned the ignition on, connected with diagnostic tester. The easiest way to test is to start the engine and let it work 1 minute, then shut it off, and you can hear the pump if it's working or not. I'm going to do it with a diagnostic tester because I have the equipment. I'm going to delete the fault codes, and I'm going to start the engine. Usually the coolant pump fault is triggered after 1 minute. So far it looks good. I'm going to shut off the engine. And if I touch the hose, I can see if the pump is working or not. You can feel the vibrations of the pump. If the pump is creating noises, then the fan inside the pump is damaged pretty much, and then it needs to be replaced. Or if the electronics of the pump is blown, there is a blown part or something else, then also the pump needs to be replaced. I can fix the pump a couple of times, because usually the problem is with the wiring pins. So now it's fixed and the car is not in the limp mode anymore. This means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.